Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the gold over the US dollar chart. Now, as you can see in today's trading session, we have completely broken down towards the downside. We were trading above the 200-day EMA at roughly 1825, and as you can see in today's trading session, we've completely broken down and we've gone and tested that 1800 level area. 1800 should offer support just like we saw last week. We had a really nice bounce off the 1800 level all the way up to 1850 where the 50-day EMA was. So this area is going to be incredibly important for the gold markets. If we get a daily close below 1890, if we get a daily close below 1790 or 1785, then that could indicate a move down towards the 1700 area, which would be the bottom of this holding pattern that we've been trading in for roughly 5 months now, dating back to August 2020. So if we were to get that daily close below 1780, this is the area where we're likely to go and target, and that would really not be good for the bulls here in the gold markets like myself. However, I am anticipating 1800 to hold here, just like it has in previous sessions. One thing that I mentioned in yesterday's video is that we have still created several higher lows, which is typically a bullish sign. Gold markets, we did go as low as 1790. We're now currently at 1802, so we have paid our losses ever so slightly. Roughly about 20 minutes ago, we did go as high as 1810, but we've also paired those gains. So it'll be very interesting to see where the market closes this evening. That is what is going to determine where the gold markets goes next. Fundamentally, I've mentioned this several times in my previous videos that gold is very, very strong still from a fundamental perspective. We're in a low interest rate environment. The Fed continues to offer stimulus aid to the markets. The government is offering, the largest stimulus deals ever to happen in the US to its people. So from a fundamental perspective, we are still looking very, very healthy here, but we've just seen a bounce back in the US dollar, which has caused gold to come under some pressure. But I do personally believe that we will rebound from this, and it will only be a matter of time until we go and retest the 50-day EMA, which is currently trading at just above 1840 at roughly 1845. So I still am a short-term, medium-term, long-term buyer here of the gold markets. However, I'm extremely cautious because if we do get that daily close below 1780 to 1775, I may then switch my bias in the gold markets to shorting it down towards 1700. So I still am a bull, but that bias could change if we do get that daily close below that 1775 area. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a red line on the chart at that 1775 area. If we get a daily close below this area, I'll put the line in red. That is when I would change my bias to becoming a seller here in the gold markets. But as you can see, we're still trading above at 1800. So the bull market is still intact. We're just putting some downwards pressure on the 200-day EMA.